Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the schedules, how we can create a schedule. If you wonder where can you get this project, is you can go to Wow Architects and you will write simple office project and you will get the file for the downloading it. Okay, simple as it is. If you want to get the link of the Telegram, you can go to my description of YouTube or about of my YouTube. Okay, so where is it, the schedule? It's in the view tab, it's in the schedules, and click on it. You have drop down menu, schedule and quantities, graphical column schedule, material takeoff, sheet list, and note block and view list. We will go with this one, schedule and quantities. The quicker way is that you will go to schedules and quantities and you will just right click on it and you can go to the new schedules and quantities, or you can do it here. Just click on it and it will give you new schedule. It tells you category name, search. If you want to search, for example, I will say window and the window will appear here. Okay, or if I want to make door, the door will appear here. Okay, or filter the list. For example, you are in the architecture department and you just want architecture categories. You'll just click on these and deselect them. Only the architecture will appear here. Okay, like this. Or if you are structure, you can just disable this, only the structure to be activated, only the structure will be appeared. I'll go with the normal one. Okay, and it tells me the name, multi-category schedule. Okay, I'm going to select the mullions. Okay, so I'm going to search for the mullion and it is called, I can search here, mullion, curtain wall mullions, or I can come to here and select one of them and press C on the keyboard and it will take you to the C. Okay, to the C, curtain wall mullions, and here you can change the name, mullion schedule. I'll go with the default and I'll press OK. Press OK, and here it will goes to the schedule properties. Okay, it tells you select available fields from, it's the curtain wall mullions. You have available fields and you have schedule fields in order. What do you want to get from this mullion? Okay, what do you want to get from this mullion? I'll say first time I'll go with the family and type. I'll just click on this and family and type goes to here. If you made a mistake, just click on this and click on this, you'll come back. For example, you made this mistake, you added this. You can select it and deselect it and take it back to here. Okay, we have count, I want count, I want cost, and what else? I want length. Right now my mind is changed. I want the length to be after family and type. How can I bring this to you? I cannot. How can I do it? I can come to here, move parameter up or down. I'll press it, bring it up. And the count I want it to be in the middle, or I can bring it down. Okay, it's up to me. So here we have this was fields. I'll not go to the OK, I'll go to the filter. We can filter it by family and type or length or cost. I'll not be covering this for now. After that I will do it. Sorting and grouping, we have sorting and grouping. Okay, you can come to here and we'll go family and type, ascending, descending, or footer, grand totals, items, itemize every instance. I will show you these. You can come to the family and type. You can come select the length. For example, it has field format, but the family, its name, it doesn't have format. The length has format. Click on it and so you have format. It uses the use project settings. When you come to the units, you will select the units for it. when we went to UN and changed it to the centimeters. I can come to here and change it for this schedule. I can make it meters, I can make it millimeters, but I will keep it as the use project setting. Okay, it's centimeters. Okay, we can align it to the left. Headings orientation to be horizontal or vertical. The heading is called length, and the calculation, we can calculate the totals of all the length. But for now I'm not going to explain it. After we make OK, and I will explain all of it. Appearance, I will not explain this part, it will need a different video. Okay, just press OK, and you can see your schedule, Boolean schedule. You just press Control and scroll. It will bring scroll up, Control and scroll up. It will makes it bigger, or Control negative or Control plus on the keyboard. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can see that the family and type is rectangular Boolean. We have L corner Boolean, different type. Okay, we have different types and different lengths. I can make it smaller, and the count is 1111. These are, I want them all to be itemized together. You see, it's all the same type, but it has different length. You can see it. Let's go down, and it doesn't give me any totals. How can I go to the before setting? I will go to where it's the fields. Don't worry, it's in the other fields: filter, sorting, formatting, appearance. Click on one of them, edit. The fields is here, filter is here, sorting and grouping is here, formatting is here, appearance is here. For example, if I click on this, the same menu will appear for me. For example, I'll go filter by family and type, and I will give a footer, and I will give me the title, count, and totals, and I will press OK. You can see that the rectangular Boolean gives me this rectangular, and if I go up, you can see this. This is only L corner Boolean. It filtered, it sorted for me the family and type. You see, it made it different. It differentiated between them. It made a separation between them. Okay, so if I deselect this, itemize every instance, OK, and it brings me to L corner Boolean. They are varying. Okay, the count is 24, and rectangular Boolean is this much. Okay, let's go to formatting and formatting. Let's go to the length, and let's say calculate totals, the length. Okay, and right now it appears here. The length of L corner Boolean is this much. The total is this much. The rectangular is this much, and this is the length of it. You see how easy it is. And we can do this for the count also. Go to the formatting and the count. I'll make calculate totals. You see. Okay. We have the cost. I can come to here and write the cost. For example, L corner Boolean. It costs $100, and enter tells me this change will be applied to all elements of type L corner Boolean. Okay, I'll say OK, and right now it gave me a cost. Okay, and it didn't give me the total cost. I have to do the rectangular Boolean. I can do this in a different way. Let's do it in a different way. How can I do it? Let's go to the rectangular Boolean. Let's go to one of the rectangle. This is rectangular. This is L corner. Rectangular Boolean. Edit type, and go to the cost. Make this one 70. Okay. Apply. Okay. And all of them right now have the 70. And right now $70. If I go to formatting, if I go to the cost, if I go to the field, the currency unit, let's make it dollar. Okay, and okay, it will be $1. So right now I want a total of them. I'll go to the formatting and the cost. I'll tell calculate totals, and now it calculated the totals. Okay, you see the total for this and the total for this. But what if I want different things? For example, I'll say make grand totals. Okay, and it will brings me grand total of all of it, both of them, you see. Okay, for example, let's bring this here and put this one here, not this part, this part. Okay, let's say this part. For example, if I select anything, it will not show here. It says only it's a rectangular mullion. If I go to the edit and itemize everything, if I select this, if I click it, it shows me here, it highlighted this. What about this? Let's go to the different one. 1 minute. Just let me, if I click on this, it shows me here. Okay, it shows me the one that I have L corner. This is the L corner. Another one, you see. If I delete one of it, can delete it, and it will disappear here. Control, you see the number. If I Control Z, it will bring me to here. Okay, this is one of the interesting things. Okay, and what else we have? I'll go to the itemize, deselect itemize every instance, and okay, and this is the total as we said. Okay, the cost will be this much. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.